in this video you are going to learn about the possessive nouns. We are going to learn about possessive nouns. In other words, possessive nouns are also called as possession. It is also called as possession. So what is possessive noun? What is the use of possessive nouns? Possessive nouns, it is used to talk about the ownership. It is used to show the ownership about the thing or the person. That is, it tells us who owns that thing or the person. It tells us who owns the thing or the persons. So how can we identify, how can we show the ownership on the things or the person? Yes, there are two ways to show the possession. There are two ways to show the possession. Let's learn one by one. Okay. So here the first step to show the possession will be by adding apostrophe s after the noun. By adding apostrophe s at the end of the noun. So whenever if I am talking about any girls, that bag belongs to that girl, means I can say that this is girl's bag. This is the girl's bag. Suppose if I am telling you this is my sister watch, means I can say this is my sister's watch. This is my sister's watch. So at the end of the word send a sister, I have added yes apostrophe yes to show the possession. Let's learn with some examples. Okay. So here I have written two examples. First example, Lali's book. Lali's book. Here what can you understand from this word Lali's book? Yes, Lali's book means the book belongs to Lali. The book belongs to Lali. So if I am telling you this book belongs to Lali. For example, I am telling you this book belongs to Lali, means how can I say by adding apostrophe s? Yes, Lali's book. Suppose this book belongs to Kumar, means how can you say? Yes, Kumar's book. If this book belongs to Meena, how can you tell me? Yes, this is Meena's book. By adding apostrophe s after the noun, that is after the name, we can add apostrophe s and we can say the thing name. Meena's book, Kumar's book. Okay. So this chalk piece belongs to teacher, means teacher's chalk piece. Teacher's chalk piece. Clear? So what we need to do to show the possession? Yes, we need to add apostrophe s after the noun to show the ownership of the thing. So if this thing belongs to this person, I have to add apostrophe s to show the ownership. So for example, if there is a ball, means how can you say? Lali's ball, Lali's eraser. So whatever things belongs to Lali, we can say by adding apostrophe s. Okay. So same for the girls. The girls band. Suppose if we are talking about the bangle which is belongs to the girl, means we can say that the girl's bangle, the girl's dress. By adding apostrophe s, we will be showing the ownership. We will be showing the ownership, or we will be showing the possession of the thing. Okay, so this is the first step. Is it easy? Yes. Let's learn the second type. By using of. By using of. We need to use of in the sentence or in the word to show the possession. How? Let's learn with some examples. Okay. So here I have written these two examples. Let's learn with one example, like the bicycle of the boy. The bicycle of the boy. Here this bicycle belongs to this boy. So I'm saying like the bicycle of the boy. Suppose the same book belongs to the boy. How can I say? The book of the boy. The book of the boy. Suppose this book belongs to a girl. How can I say by using of? Yes, the book of the girl. The book of the girl or the book of the boy. Okay. If the book belongs to boy, I can say like the book by using of the book of the boy. Suppose this book belongs to girl. How can I say the book of the girl? Clear? See second example, the nest of the bird. The nest of the bird. So here the nest belongs to the bird. So how can I say? The nest of the bird. The nest of the bird. So which thing belongs to that person? The thing name will first comes first. After that, who is the owner? That names comes last. Okay. I am telling you again. Suppose if the book belongs to one person, like this book belongs to Kumar, means I can say first the thing name first. By using of the sentence, we need to say the thing name first. The book of, then which person owns this thing? Kumar. Then the book of Kumar. The book of Kumar. Suppose this book belongs to my mother. How can I say? The book of my brother. The book of my mother. Okay. Suppose if a plate belongs to my brother, how can I say? The plate of my brother. The plate of my brother. So whenever we are using of in a sentence, in a word, that we need to use the thing name first, then only we need to write the owner name. Okay. But on the other hand, what about the apostrophes, in which we are going to say the name first, after that we use the thing name. Clear? Suppose now I am asking you, this book belongs to Kumar. Okay, no Kumar. Already we have used Kumar many times. So this book belongs to Rahul. Okay, this book belongs to Rahul. Now you have to tell me by using apostrophes. This book belongs to Rahul, I said. Now you tell me by adding apostrophes, how can I say? Yes, Rahul's book. The name will come first. By adding apostrophes, the name will come first. Like Rahul's, then only the thing name. Rahul's book. Rahul's book. Suppose I am telling you to tell me the thing, to show the possession by using of. Then how can you tell me? Yes, you have to tell me the thing name first, like the book. Then use of, the book of Rahul. The book of Rahul. Isn't it easy? Yes, it is very easy. I hope you are getting me. So let's see more examples. So now we are going to learn how to change of to yes. If the word is given like this, how can we change the word or the possession, like showing by apostrophe? Yes, that is what we are going to learn. Okay. So here I have written two examples. Let's learn one by one. Okay. The room of my brother. The room of my brother. Here, this is the second way of showing on possession, right? So they have used of. So how can I say the possession by adding apostrophes? By using of, we need to say the thing name first, then only the name. But by showing the possession by using by adding yes apostrophe s, there we say the name first, then only the thing name will come. Okay. So here the thing name come first, but there the thing name will come last. See here, where is the name? Who owns the thing? My brother. So by adding apostrophe s, I will write my brother first. My brother, then apostrophe s. My brother's. What he wants? The room. Then room only I am going to write. My brother's room. My brother's room. Clear? So remember that whenever you are using of in a sentence, then you have to write the thing name first, then the owner name. Okay, the room is the thing name or the place name, and who is the owner? My brother. So then I will write my brother. Okay, the room of my brother. But whenever we are using apostrophes, there we need to use the name first, then only the belonging thing. Whatever thing belongs, then we will write after the name. My brother's room. Okay, the room of my brother, then my brother's room. Now suppose if the sentence is given like this, now the possession given like this, and you need to change into by using of in a sentence. So how do you do? Yes, it's very simple. The umbrella's color has given. Now we are going to change into by using of. Okay, the umbrella's color. So what they are telling? This color belongs to umbrella. Okay, so the umbrella's color. So here the name of the thing comes first, then only the which color they are talking about, that comes last. Okay, now we are going to write this first, then only the thing name, the owner's thing. Okay, because here the colors belongs to umbrella only. So I am going to write the color of which thing. Who is the owner here? The umbrella will be the owner then of the umbrella. Just the last thing will come first, and the first thing will come last. Okay, just interchanging the color, then we will add of, the umbrella will come automatically. Whenever we use of in a sentence, no, there we use the first. Okay, the color of the umbrella, the color of Then here if the word the it start with the means we'll write the. If the word start like if the sentence start like my means we use my only, but the beginning will be the only. The color of the umbrella, the color of my brother. So far if I have written my means I will write my only. Okay. So what are the two ways to show the possession, children? Yes. First one is by using first of years, another by using of. Okay. So what is possession? It tells us about the thing who owns that or the person who owns that. Okay. So that's all, students. I hope you are clear with the topic. I'll see you in the next video to do the book back exercise. Also, this is in your book which is in page number 41. Okay. You can refer it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.